Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this amazing Ford C-Max for a little test drive. It's keyless start on these, so you put your foot on the brake, press the power button there, slide it down into drive, and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should to help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. Now this is probably the best example of the automatic Ford C-Max on the market right now, and the reason being it's got over £4,000 of factory fitted upgrades. So we've got sat-nav, we've got reversing camera which comes with the sat-nav, we've also got the titanium X-Pack which gives you this lovely Torino leather, full leather interior with heated front seats, and the driver's seat is electrically adjustable. You've also got the bigger alloy wheels, 18-inch alloy wheels. You've got tinted rear glass. You've got front and rear parking sensors with automatic park assist, so the car can parallel park itself. So loads of factory fitted options, power folding door mirrors with puddle lights. It's a really, really high spec car. My guess is that when it was new, maybe it was a manager's car at a Ford dealership. You know, the manager would put a lot of specification on their car to demonstrate features and options that are available to their customers. Now it's driving really well. It's going, the gearbox is running very smoothly. It's got plenty of power. The brakes feel good. The steering feels good. It is a really good car to drive. It's basically like a Ford Focus, but a little bit higher up. It's a really good driving experience. Yeah, it's feeling really good. You also get great specification anyway as standard. So you've got DAB radio, Bluetooth for mobile phone hands-free and audio streaming, DAB radio, auxiliary import, USB port, automatic lights and wipers, heated front windscreen, cruise control, electric windows front and rear. So loads of specification as standard. Oh, and the other things I forgot to mention that are in the titanium X-Pack are this fantastic panoramic glass roof and also xenon headlights, which are great for driving it in the night. When you've driven a car with xenon headlights at night, you wonder how you ever live without them. So loads of really great specification on this one. I hope that's been useful for you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye for now.